Good snowy Friday morning, everyone. I saw the first flake of the event fall at 8:13 here at the house. It was very exciting, and then it escalated quickly. I mean, it is peppering it down out there now. Everything's already white, and it's only what 9, or it's not 9 o'clock yet. I've lost track of time. Anyway, it's a meteorologist mark weather alert day. We are under a winter storm warning. It's a USA Mortgage Level 4 concern day. So, very hazardous travel conditions developing. If you're at work now, look outside and know that you need to get home if you can. I know some of you all have to work today. You've got jobs that are essential. So please, please, please be careful and prepare for, if you're going to have to travel today, prepare for trouble, because when you're prepared for it, it makes it a lot less stressful. So don't head out onto the roads with 10% left on your cell phone. Nothing to drink, nothing to eat, no extra coats, toboggans. Prepare to have to get cold or thirsty or a little hungry or to need to call someone, and that will make your troubles a little lighter. So just be safe out there today, and don't travel if you don't absolutely have to. Just wait till Sunday to go get that bag of Doritos at the Dollar General store. Winter storm warning. Premier generators brings us our impact graphic. This is the same as it was last night. 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Travel's terrible. It's going to get worse and worse and worse as we go through the day. Even roads that were pre-treated, while that does buy you a lot of time, and it helps when it starts melting later on. Um, the snowfall rates will be such that that gets overcome. So they're seeing that to the west of us this morning over around Nashville. Their roads were treated, and so they stayed good through this early morning hours. Got everybody to work during rush hour. But now the snow's overcoming those treated roads because of the rate at which it's falling. But it'll still help them when they all go home this evening. It's always good to have pre-treated roads. M&M's forecast snow total chances still 4 to 8 inches. You see the percentages there. I feel very confident in this. I know there's going to be some of you all who get 4. There's going to be a few of you all who get close to that 8-inch mark, or maybe even a little bit more. Depends on how heavily it overperforms in certain isolated areas. But generally speaking, across the plateau, we're looking at 4 to 8 inches of snowfall today. And it does not look like, as of this morning's data, it does not look like sleet's going to mix in with you all in southern Cumberland County. I never was that confident about that. You got a very low chance. Let's say your chance from me in my forecast last night, let's say your chance of sleet mixing in was 30%. Today, I would say that's 10%. So it just doesn't look like that. It never has looked like that warm nose is going to get this far north to me, but we'll see. We'll see what happens as we go through the day. It's thinking one thing, and what actually happens can be another thing. But definitely not looking for any freezing rain. I tell you what, it's got. I call them those crap phone apps. The other day they started saying that we're going to get ice. I've never said that, and I never believed that, and neither has any credible source believed that we would ever get freezing rain on the Cumberland Plateau from this scenario. There was always a possibility for some sleet mixing into the snow, especially across southern Cumberland County. But we'll see. We'll see how everything pans out today. But this is an all snow event, and it's a pretty snow. It's what we call a wetter snow, and we'll lay on the trees and make for a pretty scene this evening. Don't think we'll get enough to cause power outages. Could have some sporadic power outages. That's always a possibility, but not looking for widespread, long duration power outages. Thank goodness. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our very chilly 5-day forecast. Got that snow today. Flurries in the morning, probably tapering, probably lasting till noon. I'm telling you, that northwest flow usually squeezes out flurries on the plateau for a good half day. And highs in the upper 20s. Sunday, we start thawing out a little bit, highs in the mid 30s, but it's after that morning low at 12. Snow's going to be froze. Little improvement, that is for sure. Maybe the main roads. And then dropping back down to around 20 Sunday night. Monday and Tuesday, I think we're going to have a few flurries around the area. I know I'm the only one forecasting that, but keep in mind, I've been the only one forecasting some of these flurries here lately. So I feel like I'm almost a flurry expert, minus the flurries we had What was that? Wednesday, yeah, Wednesday or Thursday. Anyway, but colder. You see that 33 on Monday, but then turning colder on Tuesday with highs in the upper 20s. 6 to 10 day threat outlook brought to us by Weichert Realty. Still looking for those below normal temperatures, January 14th through the 18th. You can take that right on to the 19th, it looks like. And then because there is another storm system that I'm keeping an eye on, January 18, 19, looked a little bit more impressive in the model data this morning. So looking more like a rain-snow mix type situation. But that's down the road, but that's just something I'm telling you I'm keeping an eye on. That's our next big storm system. And we'll see if it'll be all rain or snow or both. So I'll keep you posted. And Bramble Travel and Bramble Brook Boutique bring us our On This Day in Weather History. 1962, we had 4 inches of snow. 1997, we had 5 inches. In 1800, Savannah, Georgia received 1.5 feet of snow. 10 inches in Charleston. It's the heaviest snowfall of record for the immediate coastal plain of the southeast U.S. That is huge, especially for them. 1911, the temperature at Rapid City, South Dakota plunged 47 degrees in 15 minutes. Lord, that's a big drop. Quick tutorial on how to measure snow. Find a level spot, okay, that's out in the middle of the open nowhere. Okay, some people have like a little what they call a snowboard, where they'll put out a board and they'll measure it with the ruler. Don't tilt the ruler. Don't stick it where you know the snow is deepest. Find several locations and then take the average of those. That's how you professionally do it. So that's what I'll be doing. So, and but let me know how much you get. I'll be making a Facebook post where you can post those on there, or you can just send me a message. Let me know what you end up getting by the end of this whole event. And otherwise, you guys have fun. Take care in this snow. It's going to be a fun snow. It's a good snow to compact and make snowballs and snowmen and all that good stuff. And snow cream. The snow cream recipe's on the website and the app. Y'all keep looking up. Don't get a snowflake in your eye, though. Keep it right here at meteorologistsmark.com.